A common type of professional writing project, we can call it a performance because that's essentially what it is, would be a company's proposal to take on a job. Any major proposal effort presents a rich assortment of mini-teams whose work is influenced ideally by overarching advice from the business developers. Long before a single sentence is written, the proposal team gets high-level advice about what kind of impression the performance is supposed to make. I remember once being part of a proposal team chasing work with a municipal government that was notoriously tight-fisted. This bit of knowledge colored our response. Of course, the proposed costs were kept to bare minimum, but we also packaged the response in bargain basement mode. No color photos, no expensive binding or slip cover, just black and white text, screenshots, and comb binding. Our company actually was among the most successful environmental engineering firms in the U.S., and our professionals were highly paid, but for this particular performance, we tried to project and protect the impression that we could be bare bones and inexpensive. One type of mini-team within a proposal effort is the brainstorming team. I've participated many times in brainstorming sessions, usually early in the process of developing a proposal. Brainstorming is a good example of back-region cooperation that cuts across levels of the organization. Specifically, the session deliberately includes persons from various levels of the organization, managers, worker bees, support staff, as well as persons of different functional specialties. Also, the team is privy to insider information, such as proposed labor rates and material costs, and high-level strategic secrets, such as, we don't really expect to win this one, or this one is ours to lose. And finally, by virtue of their inclusion on the team, members acquire instant familiarity with each other and share a common goal, which is nothing short of their employer's continued survival. The ground rules of brainstorming reinforce the egalitarian nature of a session. Everyone is encouraged, even required, to weigh in on each topic. The moderator enforces equality by chilling out participants who tend to hog the microphone and by coaxing input from the wallflowers. And finally, proposal efforts as performance case studies present a compelling example of audience segregation. Once a company has decided to chase a job, all members of the proposal team must carefully avoid interaction with anyone on the receiving end who will evaluate proposals. In this case, if the performers, or the proposal team, fail to segregate and avoid contact with the audience, or the evaluators, legal issues can ensue, and the whole expense of performance can be for naught.